The next type of question. A body of mass 5 kg falls from a height of 10 meters to 4 meters. Calculate the loss in potential energy and total energy possessed by the body at any instant. G is equal to 10 meter per second square they have given. So this question is like this. The mass of the body is given as m, that is 5 kg. This body is at height. Suppose I'll consider a ball or a stone which is of mass 5 kg. It is at a height of 10 meters. So the initial height h1 is 10 meters. So when this body is dropped from this height, it reaches to 4 meter. Okay. So it travels about how much? 6 meters, and the height from the ground will be 4 meters. So I'll take this as h2. Okay. So h2 is equal to 4 meters. Now we must have to find the loss in potential energy of the body. Yes or no? See, the body is traveling from 10 meters to 4 meters height. Then as the body is moving down towards the earth, so the potential energy will be decreasing or no? Why? Because the height of the body is decreasing. Height of the body from the ground is decreasing. As height decreases, potential energy decreases, because we know that potential energy formula is m into g into h. See, potential energy is directly proportional to height, directly proportional to mass, directly proportional to gravity. More the mass, more the potential energy, more the gravity, more the potential energy, more the height, more the potential energy. Due to which, as the height is decreasing, the potential energy also decreases. So we must have to find the loss in potential energy. So the first one is loss in potential energy is given by initial potential energy I'll write it as 1 minus final potential energy, I'll write it as 2. So initial potential energy, I'll write it as m1 mgh1 minus mgh2, because there is a loss in potential, so we have to write minus. What is the mass? 5, and gravity 10, h1 10 minus m 5 into 10 into h2 is 4. So it is 500 minus 200, that is 300 joules. So loss in potential energy is 300 joules. Okay, the next type of question. Next question in the total energy possessed by the body at any instant. The total energy possessed by the body will be considered at maximum height, yes or no? Or you consider at height 4 meters and 6 meters, add them. There is another way, but easy way is to solve directly by 10 meters height. Total energy possessed is equal to m into g into h1, that is 5 into 10 into 10, that is 500 joules. Okay, so you all understood this. Once again I'll explain you this. This stone is at a height 10 meters. It is dropped from height 10 meters. When it reaches to a height 4 meters, we must have to find how much is the loss in potential. As it is traveling down, potential energy will decrease. So we must have to find the loss in potential energy. Okay.